Lane, are you ready?
I'm ready to start the party.
How could that possibly come in handy?
I have no idea.
Now everyone had a seizure.
Seizure.
Yeah.
This is what we want.
Okay. Like before, it kind of looked like you were staying alive.
Right.
Now you kind of look like Tron.
I don't know any dance moves for Tron.
You don't know any Tron dance moves?
No Tron dance moves.
All right, tell everybody what we're going to go do.
We are going up into the attic of Helen, our 1858 antebellum home. It has one little scuttle hole. We've never been up there. We've been told that there are pieces of furniture up there that when the Union Army was here, they broke, and that the family just put them in the attic and left them. But we don't know what they are. We don't know if there's dead bodies up there. So we're going in the attic.
What will we find?
Probably dead bodies.
Dun dun dun.
Oh, I'm going first? You'll notice I'm going first in case there's a dead body. Here's all the colors of blue the porch has been over the years. Probably gonna need to go back to that.
First impressions, Lane. Are you so excited?
There's so much up here. Yeah. So excited. Like ridiculously excited.
I just have to show y'all these 170-year-old boards. I mean, they are gorgeous. Should I get excited about boards?
Absolutely should.
I am. Look at that. You are making so much noise.
I'm finding treasure.
Okay.
Hang on.
Okay.
Let me show you.
All right.
Hang on. Hang on. So this is like a whole carved, look at that, surround.
Beautiful.
There's both halves.
Really?
Yeah. There's a little piece missing off this side that's not there, so I guess that's the side that they broke.
Been painted?
It's been painted. Actually, there's a painted piece of wood right there. This is part of the dresser, for sure, because there's the candle stand. Right there.
That the Union soldiers might have broken?
Yeah, well, that's the story. That's the family story. They just stuck it all up here. But what I'm digging like a maniac to get to is there is an entire staircase up here. An entire staircase.
Well, this may solve the mystery of what in the world's going on with the staircase.
Here is, crap, I don't want to break it. Here is the rounded,
Oh,
the curved
yeah.
piece. I can see banister back here, but hang on. Is a huge stack of spindles.
Really?
A huge stack.
Whoa.
There's probably 50
Oh
spindles.
my gosh.
I'm telling you, it's a whole staircase.
You know, we go from round to square.
Yeah.
Maybe those are what we need.
Well, I mean, they're definitely what we need, but this is like the whole staircase.
An old staircase.
No, a whole staircase.
Yeah. I mean, the original staircase.
Spindles. See?
Yep.
And then, back over here, there's no way I'm going to be able to pull this out, is the banister, the handrail.
Really?
This is all staircase, all of this. Look, this is the step that turns.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
This is the tread, the riser. The tread. I don't know where these may be the risers. Right here. But under here is the full curving banister. There's 1, 2, 3, either 3 or 4 pieces of curving banister.
Where the chimneys originally came up, there and there. There's Lane discovering things.
Lane is finding treasure.
Lane is finding treasures.
There are so many pieces of carved. Man, I need to take that down. That's beautiful. Like East Lake, Renaissance Revival, just pieces. It's like a furniture graveyard up here.
We did put a new roof on Miss Helen. This is her new decking. So she will stay nice and dry. How beautiful is this?
This is a amazing architectural find. You guys may not find this as interesting as we do, but typically in a house, a modern built house, your rafters are all going to run the same direction. They're not going to run in opposing directions. This house is built where the center hall, where you walk in, upstairs and down, we talk all the time about Greek revival, center hall plans, run north-south. Then the rafters over the 4 rooms on each side run east-west. So we have very interesting rafter construction in the ceilings of this house. Hang on, let me see. Here's an old wool lamp. Of course broken, but it's green. Huh.
So what we're guessing happened was this house was originally built as a spec house. So we think that that was the original hip roof line and that the actual house ended here and didn't have the portico. And that the owner, when they bought the house, they added the portico and the gable because they didn't like the looks of the front of the
Double
house.
gallery. And then over there we have the remains of 2 sewing machines. The other half of a wrought iron bed. This half is here.
Yeah. Lots of knob and tube wiring.
Yeah. There's a chair over here.
Look at the leg on this stool or chair.
It was a chair.
Look at that.
Are there any other pieces of it over there?
Yeah, here's the back.
Oh.
Yeah.
Huh.
It's mostly there.
I bet we could make
We've
another.
got one broken leg on it.
But we could make another leg.
Look at this.
Wow.
Look at that. How beautiful
Man.
is this? The broken legs around.
It may be. What? Is there a piano stool under, like behind you? Can you see over here behind you?
Let me get out. Let's see. Oh, look at that.
Is it a piano stool?
Yes.
Well, isn't that handy since I have an antique piano that's coming to this house? Do you see a leg?
Piano stool. I can't get to rotate that.
Well, it's been up in the
there we go.
attic for
Look at
heaven
that.
knows how long.
Look at that.
You don't see it? Do you see another leg over
Another
there?
leg. Oh, Lane.
What?
Look.
What?
Look.
Ah, is it the leg? I'm looking through the phone so I can't see it.
Yes! It looks
Oh!
like it's in great shape, really. Look at this. It just broke right there.
Yes!
Look at that.
And I have a 1860s piano that's going to be coming here, so
Look
at
it.
that.
Man, clean that up.
your butt's so dirty.
That's the sign of a good spelunker.
That's right.
Well, do we have the spindles that are missing from the top?
Not the same at all.
Oh.
Not even a little bit. So
Nope.
my hypothesis
Okay, hypothesize.
is that what we have in the attic is the original staircase, and that it was so destroyed by the Union troops that they put this in the 1870s when they came back to the house and redid it.
Which would explain this craziness
Show them the front of the back.
because look at that.
It's the transom to nowhere.
The transom to nowhere.
And, you know, it's puzzling because the stair rail and risers appear to match the wall, but I mean, obviously they could have put them back.
They also are decorative until there, and then they're just square. Interesting.
There's a story. We don't know what the story is. There's a story.
Yes.
Maybe they ordered a staircase to replace the one that had been wrecked, and it didn't work, didn't fit once it came in.
And so they made it work.
And so it's in the attic now. Like, my attic is full of stuff that I intended to use and then never did. It's very possible, because I'm looking at that thinking, how would that curve ever have made this run? It's just, the run is too wide for the curve that is up in the attic, I think. I don't know. It is such a mystery. I'm gonna have to pull down all the pieces of the staircase and like reassemble it to see if I can figure out.
We need the people that recreated the Titanic.
Oh, I'm so dirty. I'm so dirty.
Oh, it's in the first time
I shouldn't do that because people think I'm doing the Illuminati sign. I'm not. This is just my dirty hands.
Is there an Illuminati sign?
Yeah, this is it.
Oh.
But it's not what I'm doing. I'm just showing you how filthy my hands are.
Sure.
Ah, here. My hands are really dirty.